Hello, Twin Force Fusion, and I'm happy to report that my car is ready. The CR performance turbos are installed. Had it ready last night because of the curfew. You know, my Premier Fuhrer knows better, so I could not do any driving or any review after 8 p.m. So anyway, today I'm happy that I drove at least 50 miles with it. It's windy and cold, I don't care. I'm starting the process with Tori again. I'm at revision 000 with this, where it's weird to drive it with all the values turned down. But I got to drive, at least 20 miles with my MKZ tune, the revision 17. That's what I had for street tune. And the car was fun to drive, but I didn't, give it the bean like I usually do. But it is what it is. I'll just to show you that it actually works. And it's gonna be tricky to do some revisions in this cold, but tomorrow's supposed to be warmer, so hopefully I'm able to do a few ones tomorrow. Well, I'll start it. It's nothing different. There's no, I don't know if you could hear, it's actually running right now. And again, with the factory muffler, it's very silent. And boy, it's cold. So yeah, it was just a quick situation report saying everything in order. By the time you're listening to this video, I probably would already sent my first revision to Tori, and that's something that you have to be aware if you're gonna upgrade your turbos, you will have to get a custom tuning. And for just to be fair here, it would cost you, with Unleashed tuning, will be about $400 US to do a custom tune. So it's sad that everything I had with the MKZ turbos, it's kind of wasted, but I had a blast with it. But I'm gonna keep maybe a few files in it just in case in the future, for whatever. But push comes to shove, Tori will keep them in his in his huge server, I guess. So I'll come back with more detailed videos, but for now, that's it. I'm just gonna stay away from the cold wind. Bye.